Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we are diving into the Kuru Exchange testnet launch, and this is backed by Paradigm and Electric Capital, $11.6 million with funding, powered by Monad, so they have a live testnet where we can participate and also open this little Easter egg up here, so might get some prizes and get rewarded with an airdrop later on. But before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. Like I said, there's a chance to win one of 10 exclusive Clob Monster prizes by clicking this little monster right here. Also, I have a Discord, Twitter, all the links are down below. Catch me on Twitter, the BCR142. I co-host a show called DeFi Crypto and Airdrops every Monday and Saturday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern. And our Twitter, the_only_DCA. And the host, Veteran4Crypto. Give him a follow. Great DeFi mind. We are crushing it. So let's dive in. Okay. Kuru Exchange, we are going to connect our wallet. And the link's down here, kuru.io. So we're going to connect, jump in here on the monads. If you need some testnet tokens, let me know. Oh, retry. There we go. Okay, this little monster up here, right? Click this little, pick your monster. Let's see. Yeah. Let's reveal. Mike shirt, reflective, twilight. Ooh, mint skull. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Okay, now connect your socials for more traits. I'll have to do the Discord later, and I'll do Discord later. Background, yeah. Oh yeah, the skull. Let me get the handlebar. That's cool. Okay, now what can we do on here? Okay, liquidity. Let's go to wallet, deposit. Okay, remember we need to have monad tokens. Let's deposit some monad into the vault. Okay, markets. Yeah, you have to remember that's a must. You need to deposit into your monad or your Kuru wallet. Let's go to launch up here. Let's go to launch or portfolio. Let's see. Liquidity, claim. Okay. All right, let's launch the blockchain report. Launch cost is half a monad and 0.25 monad as gas. So I'm going to deposit a little bit more monad actually. Cool. Now our portfolio. Let's see if we can see our token. Nope, don't see it yet. Okay. Orders, claims, liquidity. Let's go to markets. Okay, let's sell a little bit of our monad. Now we should have some USDC. Boom. Now we can go to some other markets and let's buy some bean. Let's buy some bean. Bought some bean. Okay, let's go to liquidity. Let's do this monad USDC and we're just going to keep it basic. We're just going to do half. Keep the range. Just everything basic. Don't have to touch anything. Oh, okay. Oh, maybe it deposited it and didn't. Sometimes it might give you an error and you may have actually deposited the liquidity anyways. Let's see. Okay, there's 2 claims. Claim. Okay, I have my bean, but I don't see any liquidity. Okay, well, let's go to bean. Let's check out bean. Full. Nope, I don't have any bean. Really? Bean monad. I thought I had bean. Interesting. So I cannot provide liquidity for that. Let me see if I can do staked monad. S-mon. We're going to see if we can do this right now. So I'm buying S Monad, going to this pool right here, deposit. I just want to get one pool filled. Oh, deposited. Yeah. Okay. Still doesn't have it in there. Let's see. Full. So it looks like it takes a while for you to do anything, I guess. I don't know. But I guess that's all we can really do. It's not the greatest, but it kind of works. But yeah, just keep interacting and doing what you can. So we got all these assets and come here and claim your liquidity tokens. So, or not liquidity tokens, but I don't know, actually. Well, we'll find out. But there you go. Remember, if you need any help or have any questions, link to all the socials are down below. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace out.